We got an exciting one for you today. Jacob Woods here with the Coal Creek Outdoors, and we teamed up with Cody Johnson from the Thin Blue Line Outdoors. And Cody and I went to school together, good friends back in the day, and hadn't hunted together in about 10-12 years. So we had planned on making a coyote hunt happen here in the night season before it ended. Came down to the wire into the last week, but we got out, we got it done, and we put one on the ground. Check it out for yourself.
That ghost from Mario. If you wouldn't have said balloon, I would have been scared and left. I never would have put two and two together.
Man, at this point in the season, I'd probably made 100, 200, 300 stands coyote hunting. Didn't make any bonehead mistakes until this one. I don't know if it was within the excitement of catching up with Cody and talking about good times and catching up with what our families are up to and how things have been going, but I forgot probably one of the most critical parts of coyote hunting, and that's the magazine with the ammunition.
Alright guys, I'm here with Jake, like I said, Jacob from Coal Creek. You know, we finally got it done. This is our
fifth, something like
yeah,
that.
fourth, fifth. Of course, when Jacob forgets some stuff, he went crazy. You know, and we joked about it ahead of time, like, hey, since you don't have your mag, like, you're probably gonna call in a pack.
Yeah. Cody literally said, since you don't have your magazine, this is one we're calling in the pack. And man, he wasn't joking. We called in 5 coyotes, and they were off probably a good 600 yards, just hollering and going completely psychotic. They seemed really territorial. So I flipped over to some MFK sounds. It was actually called Pound Town. A lot of guys use it.
It worked.
Yeah, it really did work too. So they came in hard charging and had a little bit of communication error.
Yeah, so essentially I'm looking way to the left here, and this guy's still, 200 yards out and closing, and he's like, hey, I'm gonna go stop it. I'm like, man, I'd like to get closer, but whatever. That's what I was seeing. What were you seeing?
So Cody's on 2 or 3 off to the left side. I had 2 on my side, off to the far right, almost dead in front of us. And here I am, magazineless, ammo-less. Got a coyote 50 yards. My fingers just twitching, wanting to pull it. I hear Cody shoot. I see the dog take off.
Yeah, and so he's telling me to rack it, and I'm like, man, I would have swore I saw the dog I was aiming at fall, and I heard a loud thud. So I'm like, man, I think he's dead, but whatever. So I racked it, moved on to another one. I shot, I think, 2 more times. They were pretty far out though on those ones. But yeah, and so finally, when all the commotion was done, I tell Jacob, hey, I shot that way, and I was looking at this dog, and sure enough, in his thermal, he was able to see it, and yeah, we ended up getting one. So I was happy. Again, appreciate you taking me out, and we're not done yet. Maybe we'll get a couple more.
Yep, keep on rolling.
Yeah. See you guys.